Well, welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and the Jonas Brothers are back together. Their new song, Sucker, debuted at #1 on the Billboard Top 100. And there's a rumored album in the works. Now, I'm a big sucker for cookies, so today we are going to be combining suckers and cookies and make a big, giant lollipop cookie. The ingredients for this recipe are sugar cookie dough, vibrant food colors, and some lollipop sticks. The first thing we're going to do is, actually wait, I'll put some gloves on first. The first thing we're going to do is divide our cookie dough into 3 separate batches. Now the cookie dough that I'm using is my go-to sugar cookie recipe. I'll put a video up here in which we made it if you want to check it out. I'll also put it in the description below. But now just divide your dough into 3 separate balls. Once you've divided your dough into 3, we've got like Kevin Jonas, Joe Jonas, Nick Jonas over here. Now I want to divide each of these balls in half. Once you have about 6 balls of dough, now we can color them with our food coloring. And this is where you can be creative. You can add whatever colors you'd like. And if you want to add more colors or have more of one color, you can just divide the dough how you'd like. But I'm going to keep 1 white, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 yellow, 1 green, and a little alien face. Oh, he's crying. And 1 blue. Look at this. You see this? That's blue and orange food coloring and green food coloring. And I was wearing not 1, 2 gloves. After you've colored all of your dough, now we want to roll it out. I've just floured the surface, and we're going to take each color and roll it into a thin band. So we've rolled out our dough, and it's kind of in this like log shape. Looks like a rainbow. I've just layered them all together and kind of flattened them. Now what I want to do is take a pizza cutter, you could use a knife or anything, and just divide it into sections. We're going to do about 3 or 4 sections for this long strip. 4 sections. Now each section should have all of the colors, and we're kind of just going to twist them together and give it that lollipop shape. We've rolled out and rolled up our lollipop cookies, and the great thing about this is they can all be different. They are all going to be different. You can see this one starts with green in the middle, this one starts with orange in the middle. But now to make these a lollipop, we need to add in our lollipop sticks. I'm going to be using some extra long ones, and we're just going to insert those into the cookie. Now I want to pop our lollipop suckers into the oven at 325 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. We want to do a low and slow bake to make sure the inside is cooked, but the outside doesn't burn. And here we have them, our Nick Jonas, it's not just Nick anymore, our Jonas brother inspired sucker pops that we made today. These things are gigantic, like that's the size of one of these. They expand in the oven even more. But they are an amazing treat. It's like your cookie limit for like the month. But like, you can just splurge a little bit. It was a super easy recipe. We took cookie dough, you could use store-bought cookie dough, colored it, rolled it, and turned it into these awesome sucker pops. Now they are so heavy. I was gonna put them on like a stand, but they fell over. So, if that tells you anything about them. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes suckers, Nick Jonas, Joe Jonas, Kevin Jonas, Jonas Brothers, anything you saw in this video. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video where we made some iHeartRadio cakeys. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.